Hello everyone, it's me DJ Diwata and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to newest upload of Mission Souls, and this is Fernando, one of the most popular songs from ABBA. And of course, ayan, 11-year-old Stacey will fronting this hit song from ABBA. Kaya naman, tara na, let's go! Pakinggan na natin ito kasi ABBA na naman tayo ngayon. Excited na naman ako dito, let's go! Little drummer boy, yes!
Can you hear the drums, Fernando? I remember.
Look at the fingers of Neisha.
Another starry night like this. In the firelight, Fernando. You were
Napaka-sweet ng
humming to
voice ni
yourself
Stacey,
and
ah.
softly strumming your guitar. I could hear the distant drums and sounds of bugle calls were coming from afar. They were closer now, Fernando. Every hour, every minute seemed to last eternally.
Perfect ang blending.
I was so afraid, Fernando. We were young and full of life, and none of us
Galing talaga ni Neisha.
And I'm not ashamed to say the roar of
Gracias.
guns and cannons almost made me cry. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando.
Ang stick talaga ni Ice.
Now we're old and gray, Fernando. Since many years I haven't seen a rifle in your hand. Can you hear the drums, Fernando? Do you still recall the fateful
Ganado si
night across the
Ice.
Rio Grande? I can see it in your
Bumabali na
eyes.
naman ang
How proud
katawan ni
you are to
Neisha.
fight for freedom
Wow.
in this land. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though
Ang
we
effortless
never
na
thought that we
magmahal.
could lose, there's no regret.
Gusto ko yung gano'n ni Ice.
If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Yes, if I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando.
Ang galing, grabe. Grabe, superb itong ano na to, itong cover na to. Stacey, grabe ang galing. The sweet voice of Stacey. Tapos yung ano yung pagba-back up ni ano ni Mami, o di ba? Pack na pack ang kanilang blending. The best. Ang sweet talaga ng voice ni Stacey, no? Imagine niyo, I think way back 1970s when Fernando was released, but 11 years old Stacy, talaga namang caring-carry lang niya to. Napaka-effortless kung paano, ganun din ang pagkanta ni Mami na yung pagbaback up vocal ni Mami, talaga namang sobrang napaka-sweet din. Napansin ko, habang pinagmamasan ko yung Magmani, sila pala yung magkamukha. And aside from the resemblance ng kanila, para silang pinagbiyak na bunga, pati yung voice ni Stacy at saka ni Mami, talaga naman nagbi-blend ang gusto at pak na pak, o diba? And sabayan pa ng body language ni Neisha kapag talaga naman ganadong-ganado. At kung mapapansin nyo, si Ace talagang gumagandyang ganadong-ganado siya, talagang pati yung kanyang katawan ay napapasayaw. And the sweet smile of Nases, talaga namang masasabi ko na one of the sweetest smiles na talaga nakita ko. At si Daddy Second, kung mapapansin nyo, talaga napapangiti din siya habang pinakikinggan niya ang kanyang mga mag-iina. So sobrang proud na proud siya, o diba? Anyway, ayan, sobrang galing, sobrang ganda ng cover ni ito na napasaya niyo po ako kasi kahapon nag-ABBA ako at ngayon ABBA na naman. At alam niyo po ba ang ABBA, isa yan sa mga favorite singer ko, diba? Isa sa mga favorite singers ko, okay? So anyway, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe. Mission Souls, ayan, marami ko yung mga mapapakinggan o cover song, talaga naman ma-enjoy nyo po ng gusto. At thank you so much, Mission Souls. Sobra kong na-appreciate yung pagko-comment nyo palagi sa aking reaction video. At take note ha, talaga naman, i-follow po ako ni Mission Souls. Thank you so much, Mission Souls, kasi i-follow nyo po yung aking Facebook, at sobra ko po na-appreciate yon. Yung sobrang humble ng ng family na to, talaga namang sobra nila na-appreciate yung yung mga reactor na gumagawa ng reaction para sa kanilang video. At sabi nga nila, sobrang laking tulong po ng mga reactors kung paano dumadami rin ang kanilang mga subscribers. Kaya naman po, Mission Souls, pagpatuloy nyo lang po yung pagkanta kasi marami kayo napapasaya, okay? Anyway, ayan, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you're just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button or notification bell to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also aking pong DJB Israel. Ayan, nag-promise ako na mag-upload na ako dyan pero hindi ko magawa kasi may pumasok na naman ang Mission Souls na na bagong reaction, na bagong cover song, kaya dito na naman tayo na focus, o diba? Anyway, subscribe na lang po ng DJB Israel, okay? So ayan, bye bye everyone, hope to see you again on my next vlog, and always remember that music is life and life is all without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine because it brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. I love you all.